Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys all so very much for joining me today. I hope you guys are having the most wonderful day. Today guys, I am going to bring you a multi-shop haul. Not a big haul, so hopefully we'll get through it quicker than normal. But they're just from different shops today. I didn't buy a whole lot. Everything I bought today is in this bag and I want to show you. But first, guys, I don't know if you have ever tried Suki boba drinks, but they are the nicest. These are made by Suki Cafe. There's one in Belfast City Centre, which is delicious. Mine today, as you can see, I've gotten through it quite a bit. This is a Sakura drink. It's a one Sakura blossom, no tapioca, with lychee popping boba. It is so delicious. The Sakura is very floral in its flavor, but with the popping lychee boba, delicious. Best drink I've had in a long time. If you guys have not checked out Suki Cafe, please do so. Their boba drinks are the best I've ever tried. So, guys, I'm going to jump right into the haul. The first thing, as always, I always buy a bag. I don't know why. I need to start bringing bags with me. I'm really bad at it. But I bought this beautiful one because it says self-love. And I thought it was really rather cute. So, let's show you guys what I got. So, I was at a number of different shops. This bag is jam-packed full of stuff. I was at a number of different shops today. And I'm going to tell you the shops that I bought things from as we fly through this video. First things that I bought, I called into Lidl and I picked up some of these delicious, I don't know how to say the French name, but they're French style little tartlets. I picked up lemon and I picked up strawberry. These last year, I've seen these before and I've had them before. Last year, these were £1. They're up to £1.19. But they're so delicious and you get quite a lot in the box. You get 125 grams and these are so cute and adorable. If you were having like a little home afternoon tea, these are just the perfect little nibble. You have lemon curd in here and you have jam curd in this one. And if you guys haven't tried them from Lidl, they are delish. There's a couple of little items that I purchased. Let me just see. Did I purchase a couple? Did I purchase one? Oh, I purchased a couple of things. Not very many, but a couple of little things from Primark because they were on sale. The first thing that I picked up was this little bath fizzer. It has an M on it. My sister's birthday is soon. And this was down from £1.50 to 50p. Just going to pop that little sticker off. And I use the actual sticker to take a lot of the stickiness from the seal labels off. These were down to 50p, which I thought was really, really cute. I'm going to pop that in with her birthday present. I then bought this little Disney at Primark lip scrub and lip oil set. This originally was £4. They have it on offer too. And I'm going to pop this into a little gift or giveaway. I thought that would be pretty awesome. So that's my little Primark and Lidl hauls, and I think the rest of everything else I purchased, I believe, is, oh no, there's one more Primark item. I bought these little pack of link snaps. You get 2 in a pack for £1, which I think is a really good price because I know a lot of places sell the one snap links. They sell one for £1. I bought these because I am going to put these into the little charity packs. But I bought 3 packs of these, by the way, guys. But I am going to put them in the little charity packs. But I break them up so you have, I can put 1 in each. I usually put them in like this, but these are so much fun. You can snap them, you can join them together, but they are just great little fidgets. They're so much fun, but I usually put them this way and pop them into the little charity packs just because they still look cute. And I can't get them back into their original form, but I think that's pretty awesome too for £1. The next little item, everything else I believe comes from Poundland. So I'm going to show you guys. I bought another 2 of the little Fab Friends stick and style bangles. You can make 5 different types of bangles. You can share them with your friends, but they're totally your own creation. And these were still £1 in Poundland, which is awesome because you guys know not everything is £1 in Poundland anymore. So we have 2 packs of our little stick and style bangles. I then picked up, oh, did I buy more from Primark? Sorry guys, more from Primark and more from Lidl. I also bought myself a 4-pack of mint chews. You get 4 packs, 100% natural flavour, and they're £1 for a pack of 4. I really, really like these. They're very, very chewy. So they're from Lidl. I also picked up some dental floss strips, 32 in a pack, and they're only 80p. That is awesome. I have a little box that I take some of these out and put in so I can take them with me no matter where I go. So if I eat out for lunch, I can quickly clean in between my teeth. So that's pretty awesome. And then a pack of pens. I don't know about you guys, I never can find a pen. I constantly have to buy pens. But I really like these little Primark set because they're 80p for a pack of 5. They come in a little pouch. They're black ink. I've had them before and they're very, very good. And they're just easy to keep together. So hopefully I won't lose all of those. Now, I genuinely believe everything else I've purchased, yes, is from Poundland. So let me show you what I got, because they're super cute. So I purchased 3 of these little dinosaurs. You can make these dinosaurs yourself. We've got a pterodactyl. I think this is a Tyrannosaurus Rex, and I'm not sure what this one is. But these little build your own dinosaurs are only £1, which I think is pretty awesome. So guys, the next things that I purchased are 3 packs of these Swizzles puzzles. They're made by, I don't know if this is Wow Games or if it's Wow Games. I'm really not sure, but I think these are super cute. So I've got drumsticks. They're 50 There are 50 pieces in the puzzles themselves, and I just think they're so cute and retro. We have squishies. We have drumstick squishies. We have 2 different flavors of the drumstick squishies. These are the original. I'm not sure what these ones are, but they're still cute. And then we have the Refreshers Chews, which I think are adorable. Then we purchased a number of other little fidgets. I purchased the octopus. So this is a fidget octo pop in and spin. It has, you can spin it around to see the sad face, if I can do it properly, and the sad face, happy face. So it's got 3 different faces. It also has the little poppers, which is really cute. Again, only £1. And then I found some new pop-in fidgets that I've never saw before. So I'm really excited about these. I bought 3 packs because there were 3 different styles. I mean, I only looked at the top row. You're probably getting multiples. But these are stackable. These are fidget pop locks. And they're 6 in a pack. They're stackable and poppable. And it says never ending popping and building fun. And they're for 3+. So I bought 3 packs, which I think are pretty neat. And then the last thing that I purchased are just a couple of, which I thought were super cute. I bought some little slippers for my nephews. These little slippers were only £3 a pair. So I bought this gorgeous camouflage pair. I bought a duplicate camouflage pair in a smaller size. I have no room on this table. Oh my goodness. I've got a pair that have got completely tangled. And the last little pair that I bought are these little dino ones for my little baby nephew. Again, I think these wee ones, little ones, were £3.50. And I like the fact that they're elasticated at the back, so his little feet will stay inside. But these are super adorable. And these are from Pep & Co. So guys, this is a shorter video than normal. Let me know if you guys like a shorter video or do you like the longer videos. I mean, I can adjust the videos to kind of suit. but it's really great to get your feedback. I really hope you enjoyed this video, shorter than normal. And if you did, I'd love it if you could smash that like button. If you guys have not yet subscribed and would like to join us, we would love for you to be here. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And if you guys have any comments, leave it in the comments section below. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. I'm really, really grateful. I hope you guys have the most amazing day. Please take care. Please stay safe. And I'm going to catch you next time. Take care, everybody. Bye.